Namaste, this is Ya Maulika. In the previous episode, we discussed that King Drupad performed a yajna to please the gods and got two children. One boy, as he would later kill Drona, and a girl who would later wed the noble Arjuna. So after that, Duryodhana was burning with jealousy. He thought Bhima was the cause of all the troubles between the Pandavas and the Kauravas. And he also thought if Bhima was out of the way, it would run smoother for he and his brothers to become the heir of the kingdom of Hastinapura. So he and his brothers made a plot to kill Bhima. They thought they would poison Bhima's food and would later throw him in river Ganga. As per the plan, they invited the Pandavas for a picnic and they all enjoyed all the races and many events and activities. But Duryodhana secretly ensured that Bhima's food was poisoned, and then he and his brothers tied him with ropes and threw him in river Ganga. Unfortunately for Duryodhana, a venomous snake bit Bhima and its venom counteracted with the venom in Bhima's body and he again came to his consciousness. When he came back to Hastinapura, Duryodhana was shocked. He was even more jealous when he learned that Bhima's strength had become improved day by day. At last, when these men, Kauravas and Pandavas, grew to strong, noble princes, there was a test of strength where one can display his talents. Yudhishthira was considered as the best charioteer. In which match Nakula and Sahadeva were opponents, they were of equals and that match ended as a draw. And Bhima was considered as the best person to handle a mace. And Arjuna was the darling of the crowds. He was dazzling and his arts and talents were proved to be amazing. Just as he was about to be considered as the winner of the events, a young man with a golden armor and golden earrings came. Kunti then recognized her firstborn Karna. She swelled with pride when he displayed his activities and talents. He was proved to be the strength and the strongest of all the Pandavas. He defeated Arjuna, he defeated Bhima, Yudhishthira, Nakula and Sahadeva. Duryodhana felt happy as he was seeing his proud cousins to be humiliated. He liked Karna. When Karna was being questioned by Kripacharya of his lineage, he was burning with humiliation. Then Duryodhana came forward and asked, "Which place are you from?" He then told, "I am from Anga." Then Duryodhana, without second thoughts, he said, "I appoint you as the king of Anga." Karna was happy as Duryodhana was the second person who had done a lot of sacrifice for him. That moment, he pledged his life to Duryodhana. When he asked that he may fight with Arjuna in his bow and arrow challenge, Kripacharya then said, "It's sunset and let's do the match toward next day." And so the match between two great heroes was postponed. If you really like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.